Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about remove text to each page on TikTok. If you apply the text to each piece, if you apply the text to each page to your video as described above and change your mind. And change your mind. You can remove it. You can remove it before posting your video. Before posting your video. Do one of the following to turn off text to each page. Do one of the following to turn off text to each page. To turn off text to each page. Select the text box. Select the text box. Choose edit and tap the text to each page. Choose edit and tap the text to each page. Icon to remove the check mark from it. The check mark from it. Tap the text box and select change voice. Tap the text box and select change voice. Select change voice. Then pick none for the voice. Then pick none for the voice. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.